Due to unforeseen circumstances, I wish to terminate my Floridian residency immediately, but I need your help to do it. I spent all I had packing, storing, and throwing away all of my possessions from my 2-bedroom apartment to move to a place of promise and wonder and joy, but I can't call this place home. I'm just ultimately not comfortable here. I need to get back to the place where people love me and I love them back just as much. It's sunny here and the weather is great. Sometimes it rains, but when you just can't come home, and then what is life? It could be all the opportunities you want outside, but when you come home, how can you relax? It doesn't help that everyone at home is going through something either emotional or physical, and I can't do anything to help them. I know it was my decision to come down here, but I don't believe it was the right decision. I just don't know how I thought I could be Tay Beauty without the people who helped me become Tay Beauty. No one knows me here. You all have supported me since I was just Tay the MUA, and I need a little bit more help to continue to be Tay Beauty. Because if I'm not doing it for you all, then who am I doing it for? I thought you all didn't need me, but needless to say, I need you, now more than ever. I have a goal of $1,100 to come back home. I have to take a plane with me and Sage and my belongings all the way back to Philly to fly back to Florida to take the auto train on time this time with the rest of my possessions back up to Virginia and then from Virginia to Philly. And I have nothing. So that's $400 for the flight and $600 for the train, plus $100 worth of gas to get around from state to state. If I can't make this money up in time, I don't know what I want to do. But I have to get out of here. I just have to. With no artistry and 2 part-time jobs, I'm not making enough to save anything. Fingers crossed I can get my donations in time to move myself back to Philly, moving with my 92-year-old grandfather whose health is failing, and help take care of him for however long he has left. I hate being a begging Betty, but at this point, I have no options, and you're all I have. So if you can spare $5, $10, 50 cents, $2, anything, any and everything can help me get back home and achieve my dream. Thank you so much. See you soon.